kami. Ayan, sa Carrefour na naman kami ito sa Muror. Airport Road. Agoy, ginoo. Entrance daw, entrance, entry. Tapos, saan ta punta?
Diretso lang.
Diretso lang di ay.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Magbili na lang ng mga konsumo kasi pag New Year, hindi na pwede bumili. Asan tubig? Ayun. Di ba ito yung tubig namin? Tama daw. Di ba ito yung tubig namin?
ba?
Makailangan ko marami eh. Hindi ka siya. Ilan ba lahat? 2, 4, 6. Kulang pa. Ano ba to? Starting 1 month? Kasi ano lang. Tatlo. Sa araw. Kulang pa.
1, 2, 6, no? So 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Kulang ng ano pa? Dalawa. Pwede na. Yo, yan.
Aboy, na-lasdak ang kuan ko. Na-lasdak ko na akong kamera. Namatay na. Oh!
Ilagay.
May gatas na naman ako.
Dito mo na ilagay.
Kailan, di ba ito masisira?
Hindi ah.
Kasi yung ano natin.
Kami nga nasa labas. Sa labas lang naman to.
Sa labas na ba ito?
Pag mabuksan mo na, saka mo nilagay.
Ah, yun. Eh, yung ref ko kasi ano eh. May tupak din eh. Diba? May tupak din yun. Pwede okay, pwede hindi. Paano ba yun? Yow! Oh, wow. So, this is the one I buy. Orange. Ang mahal. Ano siya sa 85 pesos. 85 pesos po ako. Ito. Ayan. Opa. Ang hirap mag-drive ng aking ni ano. Ito po yung tinatawag na kaka. Yan. Ito po yung tinatawag na kaka-approach. Kaka-approach ko po. Tawag ng tae na prutas. Prutas na tae. Kaka-approach. O, diba? Opa. Ikot ulit. Where's ate? Ayan. Mega love shout out. And ikot-ikot muna kasi ang dami kong tubig na binili. So, ayan. I don't know where's ate. Where's ate, honey? Where's ate? Sana ba sila ni ate? Hirap naman hanapin ng tao. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na sila. Ayan. Ikot-ikot na naman kami. Ikot-ikot. Nandito pa rin kami sa Carrefour. Maghahanap kami ng something. Ito yung nabili ko, panandoon na sa Pilipinas. Pero hindi ko alam kung magkano na siya ngayon. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, bell. Ang cute. Mas maganda yung hinanap ni mama ni ate noon. Anong gawin mo dyan? Anong gawin mo dyan? Ang cute naman yan kasi bulaklak. Anong gawin nyo dyan?
Anong barko dito?
751. Barko. 51. Wala. 57. 40. 71. Wala, oy. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Baka one set naman.
Ang bilis naman ng oras. Umikot-ikot lang tayo sa ano. Ang bilis ng oras na tapos. Ang time ay tapos na. Baka makaharap ako ito ng forever.
Ay, oo nga, Jo, maghanap ka. Dito yung pagkaplato, Jo. Jo, ito yung plato, oh. Ay, natin yung papalit. Meron yung pansin.
Kasi maghanap ako ng ano.
Ano yung isa? Dalawa lang ba kailangan mo?
Ano, bakit dalawa lang?
Para lang naman tulad yun ng sauce, Jo.
Sus Maria Josep. Sus Maria Josep. Maghanap ako ng plato. Agoy, wala man diri, oy. Ang plato. Ang plato baw. Baw. Ang plato baw, ang plato baw. Ang mahal naman kasi 15 dirham per each. Naghanap ako ng stainless. Nandito na naman sa platohan. Asaan na ba? Yung plato.
Price detector nila.
Ha?
Ano, tumingin ka ng plato?
Oo. Naghanap ako ng plato. Wala akong makita. Walang stainless eh.
Ah, stainless?
Oo. Stainless na lang ka. Kahit itapon, iba to. Hindi masisira. Ano yung hinanap niyo mga ano?
Yung ano, pa-check na price.
Yung ganyan? Yung ano, yung ganito? Wala. Ayun, price detector.
Tinanggal na ka.
Anak ka ng tipukli. Di, wala akong mahanap.
Ano ka na tayo?
Di, wala akong nahanap na plato. Ang kaldero ba? Ate, wala akong nakitang plato na stainless. Na pangbato. Pangbato. Para ano? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wala man, oy, nila. Wala man tayo makitaan, oy.
Wala ba dito?